What's up, everybody? It's Dusti Martin with Corcoran Platinum Living, bringing you your monthly market update for the city of Phoenix for the month of January 2021. So buckle up, let's go. All right, so let's just jump right into it. Our active listings are absurdly down 45.7% over this time last year. Our sold listings are way up over 26.6% of this time last year. And our median price per square foot is up 16.6% over this time last year, meaning your home's value has gone way up since last year. You're currently sitting on average, all of City of Phoenix at about $201 per square foot. Then we get to our months of supply. We are at 57.1% lower than we were last year. So we're currently sitting at 0.58. So like maybe 3 weeks of supply, maybe 2.5. So keep that in mind. Then we get to our median days on market, which is also crazy way down at 23.1% over this time last year. And our median days on market, get this, is only 30 days, the length of like a conventional loan transaction. So the day it comes on the market, in theory, it should also be under contract. So keep that in mind. Now, next we go over to the breakdown of the price points and where we are months of supply if you're buyer or seller's market, depending on the price point of your home. Like I said, overall for the entire city of Phoenix, we're at 0.58. When we look at the $0 to $100,000 price range, we're at 1.5 months of supply, crazy hot, white hot seller's market. Then we get to the 100 to 200, we're at 0.60 months of supply. The 200 to 300, we're at 0.41, so less than a 2-week supply. And then the 300 to 500, we're at 0.46, same deal there. 500 to 700, 0.64, so maybe 3 weeks, not even 2.5 weeks maybe. And then we get to the 700 to a million, and we are only at a 1.08. So basically 4 weeks and maybe a day, 30-day supply for the $700 to $1 million price range. And then we get to the $1 to $3 million price range, and we are currently sitting at 2.33 months of supply. Now, this time last year, I did a listing appointment for a home in that price point in the city of Phoenix, and I can tell you what, there was less than a 1 month supply. It wasn't universal or standard to every zip code, but keep that in mind. But overall, for the city of Phoenix, this time last year in the $1 to $3 million price range, overall for the whole city of Phoenix, we were at 0.67. So I'm willing to bet if I went back to that same exact zip code and pulled the numbers again, those also would have been cut in over half. So we went from an even stable luxury market to a crazy white hot seller's market. So if you've been thinking of selling a luxury home in the city of Phoenix, now's probably the time to do it and get that money rolled over and invested into something else, because I don't know how long this is going to keep up, because we are way overdue for a correction. Then we get to the $3 million price range. I told you a couple months back, if you got a home like that, you need to sell it and do it quick, because it was a crazy white hot seller's market way under the 4-month mark a couple months ago. And now we are up to a 10-month supply, putting us solidly in the buyer's market for that price range, meaning the ultra luxury market of over $3 million. But to keep it in perspective, last year, there was a 25-month supply or over 2-year supply. So yes, we're still in a buyer's market, but it's not nearly as bad as it was last year. So for homes over the $3 million mark in the city of Phoenix, now might be a good time to sell. I think you might have missed the absolute high, but that's not to say things aren't still good. If you have any questions or wondering what your home might sell for today in today's market, give me a call at 480-717-9405 or visit my website at dustimartinrealtor.com.